How to create YouTube thumbnail with CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and open any existing project. Now to make a thumbnail for YouTube of this project, just simply go to the very first of your video and here you can see cover button. Click on it. Now choose the section from your video that you want to put on your thumbnail. Then click on edit. Then from here, you can choose any of the templates to make a thumbnail, like this one. It will generate your video part into a standard YouTube thumbnail for you. Now if you click on it, you can now edit this as your desire. You can choose any of them. In this template section, you can find as much as your likings. So now from here to the right side, you can customize this text as your preference. And to the left, you can change the design of your thumbnail from here. You can upload any video or photo from your device. You can change the text fonts from here. You can use any shapes if you want to. You can use stickers also to make your thumbnail more engaging. After all the edits, you can just simply click on save. And here at the very first of your project, you can see your cover or thumbnail part. So that's how you can create YouTube thumbnail with CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.